Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be back on to the Peterbilt Model 359 conventional tractor. Today we should be building the engine, or probably like the rest of the truck, hopefully. Let's go right into the time lapse. Build is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to put on the decals, which is right here. If you do want me to, please leave a like and comment down below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. I did do a really good job on this. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe I should add a trailer. Get a trailer and add my favorite car right here just on the trailer. Imagine that. Oh, that looks so sick. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. If this video gets 30 likes, I'll buy another model and build it for the YouTube channel. You gotta like, guys. You gotta like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. See ya.